I'm Jay Roth. I'm Director of Sales for Elsner Engineering Works. We're a family-owned company founded in 1934 out of Hanover, Pennsylvania. We make a wide variety of equipment for converting industry, mainly big roll to small roll stuff. Lots of canister wipes, gift wrap, aluminum foil, and other converting applications. So we began using eWONs in our machines several years ago to give our technicians and engineers remote connectivity to our machines so we could troubleshoot them remotely without having to go out in the field every time to diagnose a machine problem. So about a year and a half ago we switched to the Flexi as we launched our IoT app to give our customers a view into the machines, give them productivity views, troubleshooting, remote diagnostics, and as we launch further into that, predictive maintenance, other support files, and connections for that. So our customers like the app for remote production monitoring. They like to be able to pull the app up on their phone, see how their machines are running. We're working on a fleet view for customers who have multiple machines, to be able to see which machines are up, which machines are down. And we're working on data analysis too, so they can see how much runtime they've had, fault status and fault logging, and what percentage of the time they're up and running for each day. So the benefit we see internally is our service techs and engineers don't have to travel out on the road to diagnose simple problems. So allowing them to get remote connectivity, see the machine, what's going on live, instead of jumping on a plane and going somewhere. Further than that, it gives us a picture into how our machines are running, how our customers are using them, and what speeds they're achieving, and give us a glimpse into their production. To get further information about Elsner, you can check our website, www.elsnereng.com. Our phone number, 717-637-5991, or our email, eew@elsnereng.com.